Welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox this oil change kit that I bought from Amazon. It's, it's cheaper from Amazon than buying from the dealer, because I bought the GM part. I want the original. So there 6 of this AC Delco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 1 filter and 1 gloves. Actually I have plenty of gloves, and then a shop towel there, plus a reminder when is the due date for the next service there. So from the dealer, the amount I paid the last time I bought is 103 and 92 cents. That is including the tax. This one is 85 30. It's including tax, and it's the same oil there, full synthetic AC Delco there. So it's about $18 cheaper buying from Amazon there. Okay, this is for a 2020 Duramax diesel. This one is a diesel. It's a 2.8 Duramax diesel. That's Chevy, Colorado there. I changed the oil when it's what you call I think it's about 5,600 miles that I drive, and on the screen there later on I'll show you it's 25% life of the oil. Later on I'll show you when I reset it. There is a remaining 25% life of the oil. Okay, I will make a video on how to change oil this Duramax diesel. You can just check on my other video that I made for this, how to change the oil of this one. Okay, I already drained the oil, and I will wait till there is no more dropping of oil there on the oil pan. Okay, I'll see you later.